daily scary story. Dare to listen?
Dr. Emily Carter stood at the edge of the vast open field, watching as the sun dipped below the horizon. The eerie countryside stretched before her, casting long shadows from twisted trees that dotted the landscape. A murder of crows cawed overhead, their silhouettes stark against the fiery hues of dusk. Since moving to the village, the presence of the crows had grown into an obsession for Emily. She felt their inky eyes watching her every move, a constant reminder of something she couldn't quite grasp. The locals rarely spoke to her about them, their faces tightening as if to keep secrets at bay. Old Man Hargrove, a fixture in the village, was the only one who hinted at their significance. His voice, though frail, carried the weight of age-old tales. "They've been here longer than any of us," he told her, his eyes hidden under the shadow of his wide-brimmed hat.
Intrigued, Emily dedicated her days to watching and documenting the crows' behavior, hoping to unlock their mystery. Her evenings were spent poring over local history books in search of clues. Each entry seemed only to hint at a pact made long ago, cryptic and veiled in metaphor.
One evening, as the sun slipped away, Old Man Hargrove met Emily in the field, his face grave. "Beware the eclipse," he warned cryptically, his eyes shining with an unnerving intensity. "They gather for a reason, and soon you may learn why."
The day of the eclipse arrived, and with it, a sense of unease settled over the village. Emily could hardly focus, her gaze drawn repeatedly to the ever-growing murder of crows that seemed to encircle her. Their cries filled the heavy air, as if announcing her fate. As darkness fell, Emily discovered a hidden path leading to the edge of the village. It was lined with gnarled trees, their branches reaching out like skeletal fingers. The crows followed, their numbers swelling until the sky was a churning mass of black feathers. The path terminated at an ancient stone circle, forgotten by time. Here, the air was thick with the scent of decay. Emily's heart pounded, realizing she had stumbled upon a place of dark significance. In the center of the circle, Emily found a weathered book, its pages fluttering like wings in the breeze. With trembling hands, she turned the pages, deciphering the archaic script. A chilling story unfolded, revealing the villagers' pact with a malevolent entity. Blood demanded in return for prosperity.
Realization crashed over her. The crows were not merely watchers, but the keepers of an ancient debt. Emily was the unintended consequence, the outsider drawn to fulfill a promise long forgotten. Her dread was palpable, growing with each breath.
With the eclipse casting the world into premature night, the crows descended, a living cloud enveloping Emily. Their caws rose in a fevered crescendo, drowning out her cries. Emily realized too late that she was the sacrifice demanded by the pact.
When the villagers reached the stone circle the following day, they found only Emily's discarded notebook, pages fluttering in the dawn breeze. The skies were clear of crows, their task completed. Silence blanketed the village once more, the cycle of their cursed prosperity renewed.
Old Man Hargrove stood apart from the others, knowing full well the role he played as the harbinger of the old ways. He tipped his hat, a silent farewell to Emily and to the darkness that had once more claimed its due. The villagers quietly dispersed, each carrying the weight of the unspoken on their shoulders.